Welcome students. Now we are going to see example number 2 which is related to our exercise 2.2. This exercise is very important in terms of 10th standard. You will find equations of similar type and an applications of this type of questions. So from this exercise, be focused, be clear, practice a lot. You will be facing these questions in 10th standard in a different way, but you will be facing this kind of questions. Okay, so now first one, in this question, what is given here, if you read the question, example number 2, find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. P of x, here P of x is said to be as polynomial. In question, you have to find the values. Okay. How you will find the values? It means if this is your polynomial, if I substitute x value as 1, x के जगह में अगर मैं 1 रखता हूँ, then what will be the value of polynomial? वो तुम्हें find out करना है. Okay, so here for the first one, answer of first one, x is equals to 1. Sometimes x is equals to 1 लिखा होगा और it will be written as p of 1. तो दोनों में अंडरस्टैंडिंग सेम है. x के जगह में 1 रखना है. Here also x is equals to 1 because if you see the question, it is p of x. Now x के जगह में यहाँ पे क्या है? 1 है. So it means we have to replace this x value as 1. So first one, p of x, will write the polynomial, that is 5x square minus 3x plus 7. What will do? 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. आपने देखा होगा, you might have seen. I have replaced x value as 1, x value as 1. Same thing you have to do. Whatever the question, sometimes it will be negative, sometimes it will be positive. So now what we'll do? We'll remove the bracket. 5 into 1 is 5. 3 into 1 will be 3 plus 7. So here 5 minus 3 plus 7. Now what is the value here? 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So the answer of this first one will be 9. Okay. Now this is the question. P of y is equals to 3y square minus 4y plus root 11 at y is equals to 2. Again I am repeating, y is equals to 2 or P of 2. Both are same here. देखिए, this y means what? Your equation will be having a variable y. Okay, be clear with that. If it is x, it means your equation should be in the form of x, right? So now what you are going to do? We are going to substitute y value as 2 in our equation. 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus root 11, because no variable is here, so we'll keep as it is. Now if I remove the bracket, 3 into 4 minus 4 into 2, 8 and root 11. 3 4s are 12 minus 8 plus root 11. 12 minus 8 is 4 plus root 11. So P of 2 is equals to 4 plus root 11. Is this possible to solve this? No, because क्यों? ये नंबर है, ये रूट वैल्यू है. नंबर एंड रूट वैल्यू विल नेवर बी एडेड अप. अगर हमें ऐड करना हो तो दोनों में सेम रूट वैल्यू होगा, तभी हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो इन दिस वन इज योर फाइनल आंसर. So based on this, if you are clear with this first two question of example number 2, then I don't think you'll have doubt in exercise 2.2. You can easily solve exercise 2.2 first question. Okay, same type values are given, you have to substitute and you have to find the values in that case. Okay, so you have to complete exercise 2.2 first question. Now look at here, this is a question which we can relate it with exercise 2.2 question number 2. I am talking about related, it means of same kind. Okay, exactly मतलब value same होगा, we can't say that. So what it means, in our question find the value of p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. It means polynomial में एक बार 0 रख के आंसर लाना है, एक बार 1 रख के आंसर लाना है और एक बार 2 रख के. जो भी आंसर आएगा that we are going to write it over here. So this means what? Your variable x, So x value will be replaced by 0. So first of all we'll write in the form of brackets. Easy रहेगा ऐसे लिखने में. x square minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. जहाँ जहाँ x था मैंने वहाँ पे ब्रैकेट रख दिया. Here in the first one we have to replace it by 0. Second one we have to replace it by 1. Third one we have to replace it by 2. जो भी आंसर आएगा we are going to write it over here. Okay. So 0 square 0 square 0 ही रहने वाला है, तो फाइनल आंसर will be 1. Now if I substitute 1, so 1 square will be 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Now second, P of 2 will replace x value as 2, substitute the value, will remove the bracket, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 2 plus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is the answer. Your answer will be 3 over here. So एक ही क्वेश्चन में हमें तीन आइडेंटिफाई करना है. P of 0 भी फाइंड करना है, 1 भी फाइंड करना है, एंड देन 2 you have to identify. So you will find exercise 2.2 second question. This exercise comparatively very easy, but एक बार तुम्हें समझ में आ जाना चाहिए, otherwise the same exercise you will find difficult. Okay, these all questions are of 1 or 2 marks question. Okay, now I'll see the third example. Third example is check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to x plus 2. ये हमारा पॉलिनोमियल है. हमें ये चेक करना है कि ये इसके जीरोज है कि नहीं है. जीरोज मतलब क्या, x के जगह में अगर मैं ये वैल्यू रिप्लेस करता हूँ 1/1, क्या मुझे आंसर 0 आ रहा है? अगर 0 आ रहा है मतलब ये इसके जीरोज है, यानी कि अ काइंड ऑफ सोल्यूशन. ओके, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. Here two values are given, one is minus 2, one is plus 2. Right, in place of x I have replaced by minus 2 and I will be replacing as plus 2. एक एक करके मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा मेरे अपने पॉलिनोमियल में. आफ्टर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द पॉलिनोमियल, अगर आंसर 0 आ रहा है, ओके, इफ योर आंसर इज 0, देन व्हाट विल डू, यू विल से दैट इट इज अ 0 ऑफ योर पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, सो यू कुड सी दैट आई एम सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग. जो भी x वैल्यू है उसे ब्रैकेट में रखो तो ईजी रहेगा. एक बार माइनस रखना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट पार्ट, और एक बार प्लस रखना है. तो माइनस प्लस माइनस, तो 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 plus 2 that is 4. किस में 0 आया? तो minus 2. तो ये लिखेंगे it is a 0. It is not a 0. ये मैंने शॉर्ट में लिखा है, इधर लिखना होता 0 of p of x. ओके, और यहाँ पे आएगा, यहाँ पे नॉट अ 0 ऑफ p ऑफ x. अंडरस्टूड. सेम एक्सरसाइज का एक क्वेश्चन है, मैं तुम्हें सॉल्व करके दिखा रहा हूँ सो दैट यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई. आई एम सॉल्विंग सम क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2.2 थर्ड क्वेश्चन. इफ यू सी इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज 2.2 द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द values, that is the given value is a 0 or not. ये एक पॉलिनोमियल है. पॉलिनोमियल इज 3x plus 1. x के जगह में हमें क्या रिप्लेस करना है? -1/3. so I'll take as -1/3. I'll substitute 3 in place of x will be -1/3. Here we can do cancellation, so 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Some students do mistake, यहाँ से यहाँ कैंसिल करने जाएंगे which is not possible because प्लस साइन आ गया है. थोड़ा ध्यान रखना, इधर मल्टीप्लीकेशन है इसीलिए हमने कैंसिल किया है. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So what is left out? -1. And what is left out over here from this next term? That is +1. -1 plus 1, 0. So now what we can say that by substituting x value as -1/3 in the polynomial p of x, I got the answer as 0. Therefore, it is 0 of the polynomial. It is 0 of the polynomial. So, I'll repeat it. How you are going to write it? X is equals to -1/3 is 0 of the polynomial p of x. In this way you have to write the conclusion statement. Okay, now this is the question of exercise 2.2 third question, seventh part. P of x is equals to 3x square minus 1 In place of x, I have to substitute minus 1 by root 3 and comma 2 by root 3. It means both I have to substitute 1 by 1 and I have to verify that whether which one is a zero of the polynomial, either both or any one of that. Okay, so मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया जहाँ पे भी x है keep it in bracket 3x square minus 1. फर्स्ट ये जो पॉलिनोमियल है इसमें we'll substitute x value as minus 1 by root 3. Here it will be 2 by root 3. Okay, your square is there. After that, first step, we have to remove the bracket. Now, if I remove the bracket, minus square will be plus, 1 square will be 1 and root 3 square will be 3. जिसको भी डाउट है रूट 3 का स्क्वायर कैसे 3 हुआ, रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 दो बार करो, 3 into 3 9 होता है और 9 का रूट क्या आएगा 3. As I've already explained to you that when same root values are there, you can directly remove the root value and you can write the answer. Okay, so we got 3 over here minus 1. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled out. So what is left out? 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be equivalent to 0. Okay, next we will see. We'll remove the bracket. 2 square will be 4. We know that root 3 square will be written as 3 minus 1. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled out. What is left out? 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Is it equals to 0? It is not equals to 0. But this value is equals to 0. So what we'll write? We'll write that p minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of p of x. Okay, in this way you have to write it. Now if you read the question, now I'm going to do the example 4 which is equivalent to exercise 2.2 question number 4. Okay, मैं एग्जाम्पल बता रहा हूँ सो दैट ईजी रहेगा आपको एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में. फाइंड जीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. अब तक क्या था, क्वेश्चन में कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यूज दिए रहते थे और उसके बाद हम चेक करते थे कि वो जीरोज है कि नहीं. बट नाउ वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट जीरो वैल्यू. सो वेन एवर देर इज अ क्वेश्चन टू फाइंड अ जीरो, हमें जीरो ही फाइंड आउट करना है, तो उस केस में हम पी एक्स वैल्यू विल कंसिडर एज जीरो. So if we consider px value as 0, so what will be the value of x? We'll find it. It means x value हमें इसमें से find out करना है. So how we can find it? So we can say that 2x is equals to minus 1. This x one if I shift it to the left hand side it will be minus 1. So मैंने ऐसे इस order में change कर दिया. 2x is equals to minus 1 after shifting this 1 to the left hand side. Now x value will be what? Minus 1 by 2. सो इट मीन्स x के जगह में अगर मैं माइनस 1/2 रखूंगा तो मेरा पॉलिनोमियल क्या हो जाएगा, जीरो हो जाएगा. सो ओनली वी हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड p ऑफ x एज जीरो, क्योंकि हमें जीरो फाइंड आउट करना है और हमें क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी दे दिया है कि पॉलिनोमियल का वैल्यू जीरो होगा, तो x का वैल्यू क्या है वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो ओनली आई हैव टेकन दिस एज जीरो एंड ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस x वैल्यू. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू वेरीफाई, अगर तुम्हें चेक करना है कि मैंने राइट किया है कि नहीं, so what we'll do it again. We'll substitute this x value in our polynomial. So x के जगह में क्या रखूंगा, minus 1/2 which we have already done in the previous questions. So what we'll do, 2 into minus 1/2 plus 1. 2 gets cancelled, minus 1 plus 1. So what is the answer? 0. आगे x का value minus 1/2. It means x minus 1/2 is a zero of this polynomial. So whenever you have to find a zero, always remember that you have to keep your polynomial value 0 and try to find the value of x, and whatever the x value you are getting, that is the zero of the polynomial. Okay, I'll explain you one more question so that you can easily relate it. So exercise 2.2 fourth question, same type, you have to find the zeros. Now p of x is equals to x plus 5. It means we have to find the value of x. p of x के जगह में 0 रखूँ, x plus 5. So x will be equals to minus 5. And those verification is not compulsory. Yeah? Keep it in your mind. If for your satisfaction, if you want to verify, then it is up to you. You can verify. अगर x के जगह में minus 5 रखूंगा, minus 5 plus 5 0 आ गया ना zero value. It means this polynomial will be 0 at minus 5. Okay, so x is equals to -5 is a zero of the polynomial. Understood? पिछले जो क्वेश्चन थे, थर्ड क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू वेरीफाई, हमें ऑलरेडी वैल्यूज होते थे, हमें चेक करना है जीरोज आ रहे कि नहीं आ रहे, बट यहाँ पे क्या है, हमें आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं कि व्हाट विल बी दी जीरोज. Okay, that is the difference and you must be clear about this difference. I'm going to solve the last question of fourth one, that is seventh one. बच्चों को इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आता है because here no values are given. So I'll write it cx plus d and c is not equals to 0. C and d are real numbers. You are very much clear about that. What is real numbers? Real numbers include rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. Now we have to find the zeros value, so it means p of x will be equals to 0, cx plus d. We will try to find the value of x, so I'll shift this d over here, so it will be cx is equals to minus of d. Now what will be the value of x? X will be equals to minus d by c. So it means if I substitute x value as minus d by c, that will be the zero of our polynomial. Okay, this is the way to solve the questions based on exercise 2.2. Again, I'll recall you. First one, what we have done in first question, we have identified that what are the values if I substitute the given x value. x के values दिए रहते हैं, substitute करना है and we have to check the answers. It means क्या आंसर आया. सेकेंड में हमें x के जगह में पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू दिए हैं और चेक करना है विच वन इज द जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. एंड थर्ड वन में भी यही था. फोर्थ वन में आपको वो x का वैल्यू आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन ट्वाइस थ्राइस एंड देन यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस. व्हाटसोएवर क्वेश्चंस you can ask me. And again I'm saying that while doing this type of questions, keep your textbook with you, read the questions clearly and then you try to solve these questions. Okay, thank you.